Good afternoon, everybody, and thanks for hanging out with me today. And today I am headed over to SeaWorld to partake in their Christmas celebration, just to, go enjoy the atmosphere, see what they have going on. And the Christmas celebration takes place Friday, Saturday, and Sundays, and it starts at 4 p.m. and goes until the park closes. And it goes it started back in November, but it goes to January 5th. If you're going to be in the area, if you're coming down, and you might want to see it. During the Christmas celebration, they are also doing the SeaWorld Orlando Festive Food and Sip Sampler. So just like every other festival they have like the food tents or the food shacks set up, and you can go sample stuff. And so you can get a sampler. I believe it's like $75 for 10 samples. So probably going to get one of those tonight, even though, to be honest, I've never used a complete sampler, but it's nice to have and to walk around and check out, the different foods, and you can get samples of alcoholic drinks too. Without further ado, let's get the evening started. If you're an annual pass holder, I'd always come over here and scan your tickets to see what kind of deals you got. So I got my discounts. Definitely worth waiting in line. Got $10 SeaWorld bucks. What else? I got a free Christmas sampler. 20% off the shops at Waterfront, and I think there was a double discount food and beverage. So definitely worth waiting there just for the $10 alone. All right, so I am in. Let's go check out the Christmas tree. Of course, it's ocean themed. Got some fish throughout the tree. So I didn't realize Rudolph is like SeaWorld intellectual property, I assume. They have like SeaWorld Funko Pops, or Rudolph Funko Pops, Rudolph ornaments. Some t-shirts. I think this one's my favorite right here. The Cornelius. Yukon Cornelius. Alright, I lied. This is my favorite shirt. It's not just Disney with trains. Another little train station back here. I opted just to get the 5 snacks, so it's $45. I was able to use my $10 Sea Pass on it, so it ended up being like $40 with tax. But I usually get the 12 one, the big one, but I never complete it, so it's just me here tonight, so I'm probably just gonna do the 5 samples and call it good. So it's snowing here. I don't know where though. Oh, there it is. Probably not the best for my drink, but let's go check it out. What a magical night. I've already seen snow. The Christmas trees were lighting up. Got some Christmas music going on. Gonna go watch the ice show right now. And it's just a cool park. It's definitely not as crowded as like Universal and Disney, so that's nice. It is a Sunday night though, so maybe Friday and Saturday it's busier, but just enjoying the decorations, the cool weather, and the atmosphere. definitely fills up, so if you want to get a good seat, make sure you come early. I don't know why they don't open the upstairs, but they never do, in my experience.
This season at SeaWorld's Christmas celebration.
So the Winter Wonderland on Ice show, it's pretty cool. Typical ice skating show. They come out, they do the spins, the twirls, the coordinated dances. So it's fun to watch, but I would get here early because the seats fill up. I got here with 10 minutes till the show started and all the seats were basically full. They had like onesies and twosies here and there, but definitely if you want to see the show, which I would recommend it, if you want to see the show, I'd get here early so you can get a seat. And there is fireworks, so you might want to be up close, because if you, I was in the back and obviously I couldn't see the fireworks when they went up in the air. But it was cool, so now I'm gonna go get some food. So I'm guessing this says photos with Santa, but I'm assuming this is where all the merchandise is too. At least this was where it was during Howl O Scream. All the decorations are so nice to look at. I don't really think this camera captures it. Obviously these small cameras, they don't have like a big sensor. It's not like a professional camera. But everything is so cool, like the trees and all the Christmas lights. So this is a little Christmas market. They have temporary sheds up with stuff to buy. How's it going, sir? Oh, lots of bubble ones. Oh, they got a Rudolph one. I hate bubbles, but that's cute. An Elmo. And of course, Shamu. So I asked her what was better, the grown-up grilled cheese or the grown-up grilled cheese or the Harvest mac and cheese, and she said the grilled cheese. So that's what I got. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Now to find a spot. Oh, here we go. I'll sit on the rock. This is what it looks like. It's dark, so I don't know if you can see it. Grown-up grilled cheese was delicious. It was like a garlic bread or garlic toast, and with cheese in the center of it. It was good. I would get it again. Now I'm going to get Jingle Tachas. Potato barrels, nope, chili, never mind. I'm gonna get the roasted turkey. Mashed sweet potato, stuffing, and brown gravy.
Can we have one?
For some reason, these booths are always busy. They always have the best food back here, next to the beer garden. So this is the turkey. So the turkey and sweet potato mashed potatoes. It was really good. It was just like, it was a holiday meal, so I would definitely get that again too. Between the two, I think I actually like the turkey better than I like the all grown up grilled cheese. But now, like, I've decided. I came here late. I came here like at 5, and then by the time I got into the park, it was actually like 5:30 after I scanned my stuff. So I don't really have enough time to do my samples and watch the shows. I'll have to come back and hit the shows because I wish I would have came at 4 so I could have did everything, but I have to decide, and I'm not gonna make all the shows. I did see the ice skating show, so that was cool, but you know, they have their Oh Wondrous Christmas at the Nautilus Theater show. They have Mrs. Claus up by the front show. I missed the parades, obviously, because they're not on the video, so I think I'll have to come back probably next weekend and hit all the shows. And once again, it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but I'm gonna keep going and Cookie Monster and Elmo has nutcrackers. There's another Christmas tree back in here where you create monsters in Sesame Street land. This wall right here is one of my favorite things to do. I mean, it's for kids, obviously, but you make a monster.
Choose your monster.
So then once you complete it,
Your monster.
let's find my monster. There he is.
Christmas Eve will find
Let's travel now to that very place where the blessed child first showed his face to the light. What's happening there tonight?
Who are you?
I'm the new arrival! Wow!
But that pine cone should be more to the left.
Your baby boy will calm the storm with his hand. The blind will see, the dead will hear, the dead will live again.
For one thing, when your child grows up and leaves the door open, you can't say, "Excuse me, were you born in a barn?" And that night, the wind was howling, the air was bitterly cold. Come on now, for warmth, compassion, protection, love, and reaching out to offer each other a little bit of that.
They got camels, the wise man. So I've never seen this ride without water.
That elevator picks you up, drives you across, and drops you at the top. And then as you come at the top, you hit that ramp.
So I just watched Oh Wondrous Night, and it is a cute show. It's basically it is the animals that were in the manger when Jesus was born in the manger. Each animal told their specific story of why they were the reason that happened. So there was a donkey, a dove, and a sheep. And they just told their story, and then, you know, they incorporated the Christmas carols into it, and it was a good show. And then at the very end, they brought out live animals, goats, llamas, sheep. They had doves that flew in and then flew out. They had camels that brought the three wise men. So it was pretty cool. It was about 30 minutes for the show. I would watch it. A lot of Christmas carols, obviously, the Christmas story, but it was a good show. And I don't know if I said it, but Oh Wondrous Night plays the Nautilus Theater. So one thing I didn't take into account when I was planning my night is just how long the food lines were going to be. So right there is the booth, and then the line goes all the way back here. Right here's the end. So I don't know if it's because it's late at night or if it's just always long. But I think the two food lines I waited in, it was about 15 to 20 minutes each. So I will have to come back because I am not going to be able to get through my little 5-card sampler. I just wanted to check out Giant Frosty over here. So when I was coming in, somebody said the beignets were very good. So this will be the last thing I get tonight. End the night on a sweet note. I think I'm gonna get the banana Foster beignet, but they also have strawberries and cream beignets. So it wouldn't be a SeaWorld food event if they weren't out of something. So I wanted a banana Foster's, but instead I got the strawberries and cream because, surprise, surprise, they were out of banana Foster's. And I think probably just because it's, you know, the park's closing in a half hour, I just don't think they made enough, or they didn't want to make any more. I don't know how it works, but so now I got the strawberries and cream beignet. So I only have Disney's beignets to compare them to. And I feel like Disney's is a lot more fluffy. These are like dense fried dough. Almost like a donut. They're good, but they're very dense.
I'm gonna sit. Stop.
Sure, we have Reindeer, or Rudolph, I mean.
Ready, Rudolph?
Oh, his nose lit up. All right, so the park's officially closed after the fireworks, but it says there's a 10 o'clock fireworks show, so I'm not sure, but I just wanted to come and show you guys this. It's all the Rudolph stuff from the TV show, the beloved classic.
Looky what he can do. Looky what he can do.
I think I came in the wrong way. I'm doing this backwards.
My name is Charlie. That's why I'm a misfit toy.
My name is Charlie. Instead of Jack, it's supposed to be Jack in the Box. Instead, it's a Charlie in the box. All right, so I got kicked out of that area. They are officially closed. There's no 10 o'clock fireworks. The app is wrong. So, oh well. It was a fun day. And that ends my night as I walk towards my car and just look at this traffic, knowing I'm not gonna get out of here for the next 15 minutes. Only bad part about closing down a park is the line of cars, everybody trying to exit at the same time. But if you made it this far, as always, I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for coming along with me on this Christmas adventure at SeaWorld. Hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, have a great day and a Merry Christmas. And I will talk to you later. Bye.